Hello everyone. Welcome to the English reading video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Let's begin.
Sarah usually wakes up at 7 o'clock every morning to catch the train to work. She has a routine. She drinks coffee, takes a shower, gets dressed, and leaves her apartment on time. But one morning her alarm didn't ring. She woke up almost an hour late and immediately felt worried. She thought, "Oh no, I will miss the train and be late for work." She quickly brushed her teeth, got dressed, and packed her bag. She didn't have time for breakfast, so she ran out of the house as fast as she could. On the way to the station, she walked very fast and hoped the train might be late, but she knew it usually leaves on time. When she arrived at the station, she saw the train at the platform. She started running and shouted, hoping the doors would stay open. But just as she reached them, the doors closed. The train left, and Sarah felt very frustrated and disappointed. She sat down on a bench and thought about what to do next. She worried about being late and imagined her boss being angry. While she was waiting for the next train, she suddenly heard someone call her name. "Sarah? Is that you?" She turned around and saw Lisa, her old friend from school. They hadn't seen each other for many years. Sarah was very surprised and happy at the same time. They started talking and shared stories about their lives. Lisa told Sarah about her new job and family, and Sarah shared her experiences too. They laughed while remembering school memories and some funny incidents from the past. Time passed quickly, and they almost forgot about the trains. Finally, the next train arrived. Sarah realized that missing the first train was actually a good thing. If she had caught the first train, she would never have met Lisa. She felt happy and grateful for this unexpected meeting. Before getting on the train, they promised to meet again soon and exchange phone numbers. Sarah thought to herself, "Sometimes small problems can bring very good surprises. I will try to stay positive even when things go wrong." She smiled, feeling lucky, and got on the train to work, thinking about the pleasant surprise of the morning.